Hello guys, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out these foot pads. So obviously we're not going to show any feet in this video because there's some people that really get offended by piggy toes. So for the sake of that, we're going to show you guys go over, the pads, go over everything, and on the back here, if you want to pause the video, it will show you how to use it. We're going to go over that. But these are foot pads, and they are made with ginger and bamboo vinegar. No anxiety, no fear, no insomnia. So let's go and show you guys what's in the package. Now this is a multi-set pack. So you place these on your feet. So there's actually a bunch here. Let's see. I believe there's either 1 or 2 per pack. Let's go ahead and open this up and find out for you guys and girls. All right, so there's 2 per pack. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So does it say? Yes, 14. All right, so we're gonna go over some ingredients. I might mispronounce them. If I mispronounce the ingredients, I apologize. This is what the pad looks like. If you see, I don't know if you guys can see inside, but you can see the stuff inside the pad. Interesting. So ingredients are ginger, bamboo, vinegar, bamboo, charcoal, shell hard protein powder, platicodin, GR, and iflorium extract, vitis vinifera seed, terminal or tourmaline, vitamin C, and wormwood leaf extract. Storage: avoid direct sunlight and store in a cool and dry place. Usage: use after cleaning your feet. So clean your feet first. Tear off the adhesive tape. Align the foot pad with your acupoint on the sole of the foot and paste it steadily, which they can show you images. 6 to 8 hours later, tear off the foot pad powder package and clean your feet. And that's it. Interesting. Oh wow, it actually doesn't smell bad at all. So if you open it up inside, here is the package. So guys, overall, test them out, see what you think. See you guys on the next review.